Hello everyone. How to start own business? As per US state administration website, they recommend some steps before starting a business. Number one, identify the gap in the market. Already there are multiple companies, the big giants that have entered almost in every corner. So this website along with Forbes Advisor, they recommend you to first identify what is essential and what is need and what are the different organizations in the market are missing in providing certain services. Say for example, there is a social networking site such as Facebook. If somebody wants to enter into the technology area, then we have to identify what Facebook is not providing or what WhatsApp is not able to provide. Based on that, one can enter into the business market. If one feels that I have an idea but I do not know how to manifest it or execute it, then there are multiple government organizations that provide entrepreneurship and skill development programs. One is Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise, msde.gov.in. Once you visit this website and enroll in the course that they provide, which lasts for 2 months, and that program will definitely help you in setting up your own business. And you can also go through Forbes Advisor website. They also have some tips for the young entrepreneurs. Along with that, startupindia.gov.in. This is a wonderful website which is providing a lot of free courses in association with many premier institutions such as Upgrade, where they are providing you a certification course which will guide you and help you in setting up your own business. That helps you to identify your niche and also reach the wide market that is existing in this 1.4 billion populated country. All the best, my dear friends.